Hey, what you looking at? Go check out this lick. Alright, the next one is a Chicago blues inspired lick. Works on an A7 with like a Chicago feel. So this one works on an A7 and it's kind of coming out from that B.B. King blues box. Right, but it's also using some chromatic in between. So what I'm doing, if I break it down, it's 8, hammer on the 9, pull up to the 8 again, and then 10 on the B, then 8 on the B, hammer on the 9th on the B, pull up to the 8th on the B again, and then 9 on the G. So on the B it's the similar thing on the G as well. We go to the 7th on the G, hammer on to the 8th on the G, back to the 7, pull up to the 7 on the G, and slide to the 5 on the G. So far slowly we have then we do 7 on the G, 5 on the G, 6 on the G, and then skip a string, 5 on the E. Slowly. So we're pretty much using all the chromatic notes in between that B.B. King shape. And then this basic A minor pentatonic position. Alright, that was your Chicago inspired blues lick. So if you are liking this kind of licks, small quick licks to learn and incorporate in your style, please consider giving me a like, a subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified of new videos. I try to post every day. Hopefully I'll be posting 365 licks. That's my goal. So help me out with that. Alright, see you next time.